Hey guys, Michael here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make Google Chrome your default browser on your PC. And there are two ways you can do this. You can do this right from the app. Now, this is quite easy to do. So just simply open Google Chrome and then you want to click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen here. Scroll down till you find settings and then click on settings. Under settings here, you will find default browser. Click on this and then click on make default browser. This will open settings where you can make Google Chrome your default browser. Now come to this section and click on set default. And this will set Google Chrome as the default browser. So anytime you're opening a web page, it will load with Google Chrome. If you want to do other things such as for other file formats, for example PDF and others, you can simply come to this section, click on them, and then click on Google Chrome and click on OK. This will help you set it as the default browser for opening that format. Now, if you do not want to do this through Google Chrome, you can simply open settings on your computer. And once settings is open, you want to come to this section and click on apps. And under apps, you see default apps here. Click on this, and then in the search section here, you want to search for Chrome. Click on Chrome, and then it will bring you here. All you need to do is to simply click on the format and choose Google Chrome. Click on OK, and it will be set as the default for that format. If you do find this video helpful, feel free to leave a like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.